Is your Insta360 X3 having Wi-Fi connection issues? It will not connect to your phone via Wi-Fi to activate and keeps showing connection failed or connecting to device? Don't worry, cause I've got some easy solutions. First of all, make sure that your smartphone is connected to your Insta360 X3's Wi-Fi. And if it still won't connect, then the second thing you should do is check for your Insta360 app update. So either open Google Play Store or App Store, search for Insta360 and make sure there's no update button. If the Wi-Fi name doesn't show up, then let's go to our Insta360 Wi-Fi settings by swiping down, tapping on the settings gear, then Wi-Fi settings, and first of all make sure Wi-Fi mode is set to always on. And if it still doesn't appear on your smartphone's Wi-Fi settings, then manually join your X3's Wi-Fi by putting in the Wi-Fi name that you see here, and then the password. If you're still having trouble, then make sure there's no VPN enabled on your smartphone. Then go ahead and restart both your Insta360 and your smartphone. Now if your X3's Wi-Fi doesn't appear on your phone, then one of the reasons this can happen is if your Insta360 X3 has a wrong location. We face this in our Android, so we are going to use the Android for this. And to check that, you can first connect your Insta360 to your phone using a USB Type-C cable, and sometimes this can help reconnect it to the app. If it doesn't, you should still be able to continue to the settings. Just tap on the Me tab from the bottom right corner, then scroll down and choose Set Camera Region. Now change the region from Auto to your country. And as you can see here, this may be able to fix your Wi-Fi issue. Your Insta360 X3 may also not connect to your smartphone if there's a lot of electronics and radio interference. So either try connecting to your X3 in a different location, or try a weird solution that has worked for a lot of people, which is putting in your X3 into a metal enclosure. This can be a safe, even a microwave, or a metal flask. You can also try simply resetting your Insta360 by opening Settings, and scroll all the way down to Factory Reset, and tap on the tick mark. After that, go ahead and try connecting it back via the app. If you're still stuck, then what will probably fix that is installing a manual firmware update. And you can take a look at our short and easy guide on how to do it. Hopefully this video has helped you out, and I'll see you around.